As football fans around the world begin to look forward to the new season of club football, impeccable information reaching the Maverick is that the local football referees are owed over $3 million in payment for services rendered during last season's Red Stripe Premier League. We understand that despite all their efforts, the bodies responsible for paying these outstanding monies to the referees, the now defunct PFAJ or the PLCA, not giving the referees no good argument. So the refs are getting restive and could very well be laying down their whistles for the start of the upcoming season of the Red Stripe Premier League. Of course, this is yet another potential body blow for a league that is already struggling with sponsorship, quality players, funding, and infrastructure, and now could be facing a possible referee strike. It don't look good. And look, we cannot blame the referees if they get militant. Like everybody else, they have bills to pay. And if we expect the highest standards of performance from the referees, they should get the little much that they work for. Right now, the Mavericks support the referee them. Yes, no whistleblowers, no league. No whistleblowers, no league. No money, no league. No, me never say informer. I said whistleblowers, no whistleblowers.